Vimeo's AI Script Generator is an AI-powered tool designed to streamline video creation by automating script writing, editing, and recording. Launched as part of Vimeo's AI suite, it helps users create video content faster and more efficiently. In this video, we will explore how to effectively use this tool to write, edit, and record videos. The tool automates three key processes: script writing, editing, and recording integration. You can see examples of the tool's interface, including the Vimeo logo and AI menu features. This overview sets the stage for understanding Vimeo's AI Script Generator capabilities. Vimeo's AI Script Generator relies on large language models trained on extensive datasets of video scripts, dialogues, and storytelling structures. These models process user inputs to create original content tailored to specific needs. The script writing functionality lets users input a topic, desired tone, length, and key points. The AI then generates a complete, structured script, including dialogue, narration, and scene descriptions. Scripts are enhanced with SEO optimization to improve discoverability and are tailored to target specific audience segments for better engagement. Built-in editing tools allow users to refine the generated scripts, making adjustments to content, pacing, and structure as needed. The tool supports AI voice synthesis capabilities, enabling automated voiceovers that bring scripts to life with natural-sounding narration. To write a script, start by logging into your Vimeo account and navigating to the AI Script Generator. Input your desired topic, such as the main subject or idea for your video. Specify the tone, for example, professional, funny, or educational. Set the length of the video, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Add key points you want to cover in the script. The AI will then generate a script based on your inputs. Review the generated script for accuracy and flow. Finally, proceed to the editing phase to refine the script. Once the AI generates a script, you can use the built-in editing features to refine it. Start by reviewing the generated content and identifying areas that need adjustment. The editing tools allow you to add or remove sections to better structure your content. You can also adjust the pacing by shortening or lengthening sections to fit your video length. Incorporating feedback is easy. You can input reviewer comments and the AI will suggest revisions. The system also provides automated suggestions for improvements. For readability, the AI uses metrics like the Flesch-Kincaid score to ensure your script is accessible. Aim for a grade 8 level to reach 80% of your audience. Finally, ensure the script aligns with your brand voice and intended audience. This might involve adjusting the tone, vocabulary, or messaging to match your company's style. Many users have found success using Vimeo's AI Script Generator. For example, small business owner Sarah Johnson used it to create explainer videos for her e-commerce brand, resulting in a 35% boost in website traffic and a 20% increase in conversions. Educational content creator Dr. Alina Ramirez employed the tool for a documentary series on climate change, achieving over 1 million views and earning nominations for environmental awards. These real-world examples highlight the tool's versatility across different content types and its effectiveness in driving measurable results. To get the most out of Vimeo's AI Script Generator, focus on providing clear and specific prompts that include context, task details, format, and desired style. This helps the AI understand exactly what you need, reducing the time spent on revisions. Always review and edit the generated script to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and is accurate. The AI can suggest improvements, but human oversight is crucial for maintaining authenticity and quality. Be aware of potential inaccuracies or biases in AI-generated content. Use fact-checking tools to verify information, as the AI may produce homogenized or incorrect details that require manual corrections. Also, be mindful of copyright infringement risks when using AI-generated content. AI tools can sometimes replicate existing material, so check for originality and consider legal implications. Consider using watermarking features to protect your content. This adds visible marks to your videos, deterring unauthorized use and helping maintain ownership of your creations. The use of AI in video production is rapidly growing, transforming how content is created and distributed. One key trend is the integration of multimodal AI, which combines text, audio, and video generation to create more immersive and comprehensive content experiences. Another trend is increased personalization through user data analytics, where AI analyzes audience behavior to tailor content specifically to individual preferences and engagement patterns. Hybrid human-AI workflows are also emerging, where AI handles repetitive tasks while human creators focus on storytelling and creative direction to maintain authenticity. Industry projections show that by 2026, 40% of all video content will be AI-assisted, highlighting the rapid adoption of these technologies. Stay updated with these trends to leverage the full potential of AI in your video creation process and stay competitive in the evolving landscape.